Alright, so if your AirPods Pro 3 looks a bit of dusty like this, it's time for a quick cleanup. So we're going to show you the right and safest way to clean it up and just make them look brand new once again. Okay, so first I'm going to just take out both the earbuds from the charging case. I'm leaving the case right now. And first, let's clean up the AirPods. First, we will recommend you to just take off the ear tips. So you gotta just gently pull it from the mesh, take it off, and just do the same for both of them. Now to clean up, you can use a Q-tip and wipe clean the holes with that. Or what we're gonna do is try a trick. So we have some alcohol wipes, not too dry, not too wet, perfect for this situation. You can also use a wet tissue or baby wipe if you want. So just wrap it around one of the Q-tip heads. And with that, just clean out all the moist dust, debris from your ear tips, just like this. You can use as many wipes you want if available to you until they're properly clean. And while you do so, don't forget to clean it up both the ways. But clean up the back of the ear tip as well where it's connected to the mesh so it doesn't stuck or jammed in there with dust or debris. So after that, I'm going to just clean the mesh. So just grab one of the AirPods. So you can give it a primary cleaning with a dry Q-tip. Now, if it's a dry dust or debris, you can use a brush to dust it off. Just normal toothbrush will do. We'll all have a few lying around at your house. And while you do so, don't forget to wipe clean the sensors area on both the AirPods body and also the mic section. Just make sure the alcohol wipe or wet tissue you're using is not too wet. Do the same for the other earbud. Alright, so after that, we recommend you to take a microfiber towel, or if it's not available, totally fine. Just a dry, soft towel is okay. Just go ahead and wipe them separately and gently and dry them up properly. So the earbuds part is done. Now we're going to just grab the charging case. So first I'm going to clean up the outside shell, and then you can grab another Q-tip and clean up the slots where the charging metal is. You can also follow the same old trick we've used, a combo of alcohol wipe and Q-tip, to clean up the AirPod slots. Now to dry them off quickly, if a manual dust or hand blower is available, it works the best. Just go ahead, blow dry the slots properly, just make sure it's not wet. You can use it on the charging port since it's not waterproof. So what we're doing here is using a dry and safe method to clear out any moisture or dry dust or debris from here. And that's it. After that, just put your AirPods into the charging box. I hope now they're looking shiny as new. Thanks for watching.